Today we are practicing a simple 15-minute warm-up. Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shiny Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today we are practicing a simple 15-minute warm-up, which is very essential because when we get into our asana practice, the body is usually cold. So we need to warm up our joints, our muscles a little, ताकि हम अपनी आसन practice को आसानी से कर सकें. So this is that video that you should be following before getting into your asana practice. It is a beginner friendly warm-up. It's a simple 15-minute beginner friendly warm-up which anybody can do. People from all age groups, people with all medical conditions can do this warm-up. So let's begin with this. Keeping the spine straight. Rest your right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly, and close your eyes. Take few deep breaths. Inhale, expand the body. Exhale, relax. बस कुछ गहरे लंबे सांस लेंगे अपने शरीर, अपने मन के साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Beautiful. Release the hands. हाथों को वापस घुटनों पे रखेंगे. Keep the spine straight, eyes closed. Observe how you feel. Beautiful. And let's begin with the warm-up. We'll do a standing warm-up. So try to come off the ground without touching it and take the standing position. Keeping the feet parallel, hip distance apart. पैरों को उतने गैप में रखेंगे जितने आपके हिप की विड्थ है और एक समान भार रखेंगे पैरों पे. So you have equal weight equal weight on both the feet. Front and the back also have equal weight divided. So you're not leaning forward, you're not leaning back. You're right in the middle. You relax the arms, engage your core, pull the navel slightly in and lift up the chest, opening the chest wide, shoulders slightly back, and feel that length in the whole body. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll start the warm-up from head and we'll move towards the toe. That is the simple way of learning this. Even when you want to practice this by yourself, आपको पता होगा कि सिर से शुरू करके पैरों तक हम जाते हैं हर एक joint को focus करते हुए. So we'll start with the head first. For this one, I prefer taking the hands back because it already opens the shoulder. So you can grab your wrist like this and take the hands back. Keep this open shoulder position, feet parallel. पैरों को एक बार देख जाएं कि आपके पैरों में एक समान भार है, टोज बाहर की ओर नहीं है, अंदर की ओर नहीं है, बिल्कुल सामने सीधे. We stay here. We'll start first thing with the neck, head. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे दाएं और बाएं. Right and left. We will just look right and left. With me, let's do this. Right, left, right, left. Normal movement, relaxed breath. Right, left, right, left. Come to center. Now we will tilt the head. तो हम तिरछा neck को move करेंगे. So I'm trying to bring my ear to the shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Shoulders are still pushing back and down. You can Keep holding the wrist at the back, push it down so you maintain that stretch in the shoulders. And we just tilt the neck, take the right ear close to the right shoulder, center, left to the left, and center. Okay, we'll do this few times. With me, right, center, left, center. Push the hands down, right, center, left, center. One more time, right, center, left, center. Let's do one last time, right, center. Feel the stretch, left, center. Lovely. Now we will take the head up and down. People with cervical issues, don't bring the chin lower. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. So your head will go back and come here. People who don't have neck and cervical issues, they can bring the chin close to the sternum, to the chest, all the way down. So let's do a few rounds of this. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, inhale, exhale. One last time, up and down. Come to center. Now we will make big circles with the neck, few clockwise, few anti-clockwise. Let's begin. Tilt your head to the right, take it back, inhale, take it to the left shoulder, exhale, forward. People with cervical issues, don't bring the chin down, just cross it from the front and go back. Let's go. With the right, back, left, exhale, forward, one, inhale, back, exhale, forward. Third round. Slow movements. 4, release, inhale, back, open the eyes, don't close it, 5, and center. We'll do 5 anti-clockwise rotation. Now tilt the head to the left shoulder, go back, exhale, forward, back, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward. Last time, inhale, back, and exhale, forward. Release the hands. See how relaxed the neck and shoulders are feeling. Now we will work a little bit more with the shoulders, keeping the feet parallel. Raise the shoulders up, push them back, down and forward. So we'll make a big circle with the shoulders. 5 clockwise, 5 anti. Let's go. Inhale, back, forward, 2, lovely, 3, 4, push the shoulders back, down, forward, up, reverse the direction, stretch, 1, 2, really big circles with the shoulders, 3, relax, 4, last one, and 5, release. This was for the shoulders. People who have stiff shoulders, this is very essential. Now we will move a little more, place the fingertips on the shoulders. We'll make big circles with the elbows. If you are tired standing, you can also do this while sitting on a chair. Let's go with this. Join the elbows in the front. Inhale, lift the elbows, point the elbows to the sky. So you feel the stretch in the underarms completely. Then push the elbows back and then push the elbows down. This time you point the elbows to the ground. Push it down so you feel more stretch and then join them again. So we'll make 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise circles. Let's go. Inhale up. Push the elbows back. नीचे की ओर भी push करेंगे, आगे की ओर भी. 1, 2, big circle with the elbows. 3, 4, pushing, rising. 5, reverse the direction, point the elbows back, lift them up from the side, join in the front. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Lovely. 3 more. Stretch. Beautiful. 4. Inhale up and exhale down and release. Simply relax. Now we will swing the arms up and down. One arm up, other arm down, like this, to relax the arms as well. Keep the elbows straight. You can do this with me. Keep going and watch. I'm trying to take the hand behind my head, over my head, behind the back also. So the arms are relaxed and they're stretching completely. Elbows are straight. Keep moving. 1, 2, deep breaths. 3, keep moving, normal breathing. 4, 5th breath, and relax. Release. You see, the shoulders are warm, the arms are warm. We'll work a little bit with the wrist also. So extend your arms. We will make big circles with the wrist. 1, 2, elbows straight. 3, 4, 5, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Now we will work with the spine. So spinal movements, there are 5 essential movements of the spine that you must do as part of your warm-up, preferably. So first movement is the upward stretch of the spine. So we will interlock the fingers, raise your arms over your head, stretch your arms, feel the stretch in the whole body, lift up the spine, pull the navel in, breathe in, and relax, breathe out. Exhale. You can do this one more time. Keep the feet slightly open for balance if needed. And interlock your fingers, arms up, over the head. Stretch, pull the navel in. सोचिए कि आपको कोई ऊपर की ओर खींच रहा है. So you're lifting the body up, lengthening the body. Exhale, release. Now we will take the right hand up and bend to the left side for a nice side stretch. That's the second essential movement for the spine. Feel the stretch here. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Same thing on the other side. Raise the left arm up, stretch it up, and bend to the side. Breathe in. You can see the lower hand is relaxed, touching the body. Breathe out. Feel the side stretch. Inhale. Exhale. And gently come up. Lovely. Now we will do forward and backward movement for the spine together. This is called Kati Shakti Vikasa Kriya. To do this, you can use a block, bottle, whatever prop you have, and hold it in your hands like this at the back. If you don't have a prop, it's okay. You can interlock your fingers at the back and get your hands together. This is only for convenience, so I'm going to demonstrate with this. We'll push the block away from the hips, keep the feet parallel. With an exhalation, we'll go forward as much as the body allows. ब्लॉक को अपने से दूर रखिए जितना हो सके एंड सांस भरते हुए ऊपर आएंगे. विद एन इनहेलेशन विल कम अप एंड बेंड बैकवर्ड्स, पुशिंग द हिप्स फॉरवर्ड, लिफ्टिंग द चेस्ट अप. So we will do this few times. Let's go. Exhale, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward, inhale, push the hips forward, head going back. आंखें खुली रखेंगे. Exhale, forward, stretch. Inhale, push the hips forward, bend backwards, open the chest. One more time, exhale, forward and bending backwards, pushing the hips forward and release. Let go. This was 4 movements: upward stretch, side stretch, forward back. The 5th important spinal movement is twisting. For that, we keep the feet slight open, relax the arms and twist the spine. Look back at a point behind you. एक जगह पीछे देखें, उस जगह को चुन लें. So हर बार आप जब ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं तो उसी पॉइंट को दोबारा देखें. So your vision is fixed. तो आपकी दृष्टि एकाग्र रहेगी and you will be able to do this movement with ease. आप आसानी से इसे कर पाएंगे. Look back, let the arms swing, breath is relaxed, spine is twisting. You're just breathing in and breathing out. Twist little more. And simply come back to center. Observe how you feel. We have focused on each and every part of the body, worked with the spine. Now it's time for the hips. So we'll make big circles with the hip, pushing the hip forward, side, back, other side. You see my feet are slightly open as I do this. You can also keep them closed, but this is for balance. Moving the hips forward, side, back, side. Reverse the direction. Breathing in, breathing out. Just observe how you feel. Push the hips in all directions. Big circle and gently come to center. Now we will open the hip joint little more. For this you can use the support of a wall or a chair. आप आसानी से किसी भी फर्नीचर, चेयर, दीवार का सहारा ले सकते हैं. First we will place the right hand on the right wall, right side of the wall, and then lift the left leg up. Left leg को ऊपर उठाएंगे. We will make 5 circles with the left leg, clockwise and anti-clockwise, keeping the knee bent. घुटने को मोड़ के रखेंगे. Let's go. 1, 2. If you find difficult to balance, you can put the foot on the mat. Otherwise, keep it up in the air. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same thing on the other side. Resting your left hand on the wall or furniture. Lift your right knee up and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lovely. Now we will warm up the knees and the ankles together with this one movement. Watch once. We place the hands on the knees, right above the knees, and we'll make big circles with the knees like this. So you see the pressure comes on the ankles also, calves also, and knee as well. The lower you go, the better it is, depending on your knee position, knee situation. If you have knee pain, stay up. If you don't have knee pain, go lower. We'll do 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. With me, let's go. 1. धीरे से सांस भरते और छोड़ते हुए आराम आराम से करेंगे. 4, 5, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. So these were all joint movements, gentle movements. We'll do one sthul vyayam. Sthul vyayam means gross movement, something that energizes the whole body, जिससे आपके रक्त का प्रवाह बढ़ जाए, blood circulation will improve. So we will do one such thing, and that's enough for us to warm up. So this is called इंजन दौड़. The sthul vyayam that we are learning today, it's called इंजन दौड़. हृदय गति भी बोलते हैं इसको. इसके 3 elements है. It has 3 elements. We'll do the first one to begin with. We'll bring the knee, bend the knee and bring the heel close to the hip like this, and hit the heel to the hip. Very nice. Watch this. Continue. अगर आपको knee pain है, then you lift the knee up. Don't bring the heel to the hip. Instead, lift up like this. Simple movement. Knee pain नहीं है. If you don't have knee pain, then you can hit the heels to the hips. Continue doing this. This is number 1. First element of the sthul vyayam. Second is you punch somebody in the front, once with the right, then with the left. Imagine you want to punch, punch, punch. You stretch one arm, bend the other, and keep punching. Punch, 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 punch. Continue with this. The third element is breathing. हम इसमें breath add करेंगे. We will add breath to this, and we'll practice something similar to Kapalbhati. So we will exhale actively from the nose and make a sound also if possible. So it sounds like and continue doing this. You're getting warm. एक्टिवली नाक से सांस को बाहर छोड़ना है. अगर आपको नी पेन और बैक पेन है तो आपको ये करना है. अगर पेन नहीं है तो आपको ये करना है. And continue. Now the ones who are active and who want to energize body little more, we will add the jump, which is the actual sthul vyayam. जो actual क्रिया है हम उसको add करेंगे. हम इसके अंदर same movement को करते हुए spot jumping कर रहे हैं and keeping the weight on the toes. So it looks like this. अब इसकी आवाज़ को सुनेंगे तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि इंजन की आवाज़ है, इसीलिए इस स्थूल व्यायाम का नाम इंजन दौड़ रखा गया है. सो लेट्स डू दिस टुगेदर, फ्यू राउंड्स विद मी. लेट्स गो. And relax. Walk on the mat. मैट पे चलेंगे, खड़े नहीं होना है. Don't stand, walk. You must be feeling the whole body is energized. गर्माहट महसूस हो रही होगी इस समय शरीर में. Breathe in and breathe out. And come to center. पैरों को थोड़ा खोलेंगे, palms open in the front, close your eyes, observe your breath, feel the blood rush in the whole body. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. And now you must be realizing the whole body is active. All the muscles, joints have been worked. It's a beautiful warm-up that you can practice before any asana practice. So make sure you do this. You can come on the mat for now. If you want to continue with your other yoga practices, posture practices, you can watch the other videos we have created and practice with them. We have curated a lot of other videos for your reference. But ये essential warm up आपको आसन practice से पहले करना है, so that your muscles are relaxed and energized, the blood flow increases, तो injury के chances बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. हम basically सुबह उठते आसन अगर शुरू कर दें तो body कई बार ठंडी होती है, and the warmer the muscles are, the easier it is for us to stretch them, twist them, go into various postures. So make sure you practice this little warm-up every time you do your asana practice. With this, we have come to the end of this video, but there's so much more that we want you to experience. So do explore the other videos in our channel. You will find a lot of merit, I'm very sure about that. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.